Hey everyone, in today's video I decided that I would discuss some of my favourite elements. So I put down 5 of them, and they're in no particular order, and I'd like to share them with you, so let's get started. So the first one on my list is sodium. Now, I like sodium quite a lot, because it's a really soft metal, and it's also very reactive. You can actually take a bite out of it. Although, because the stuff reacts with the water, it means that it reacts with the water in your saliva, which will then explode. So that's not very smart. But it also forms salt, which is a very tasty compound that we have in our food when it is mixed with chloride in a chemical reaction. So next I put on this list is carbon. So I like carbon quite a lot. It's a very interesting element, mainly not because of the bonds that it can make with other elements, but mostly with itself, because it has 4 outer electrons in its shell, meaning that it can bond with itself very, very well. And that allows it to make all sorts of different strong materials and various things, such as graphene, and buckyballs, and diamond. So next is cesium. So I like cesium a lot because it's even more reactive than sodium. So much so that it needs to be stored in tubes like this to prevent it from exploding when it reacts with the air. It's also very meltable and can melt in your hand. It's also very expensive, more so than gold. And that's a picture of a cesium reaction there. So next is hydrogen. Now, I like hydrogen because it's quite an explosive gas, and it also forms water, which is the substance that supports most of life on Earth. And all these other countless things that it can form here. I could have put more, but I decided not to, because there are countless amounts. Next is bismuth. Now, I like bismuth a lot because of the cool crystals that it forms when it's melted down and cooled. And it forms these really intricate shapes. It's very rainbowy, and I actually have my very own piece here that I recently picked up for about $15. So here it is here. And that's about it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.